Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q7 SUV S-Line 50 TDI Quattro. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Daytona grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 5,779 miles. Standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. Now this is a 7-seater, meaning family and friends can come along on those getaways, and larger objects like pushchairs and suitcases will be able to fit with the seats folded down. To the rear you have the stylish leather upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat, and as you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit display and the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road, connection of your mobile phone device, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature, regardless of the weather outside. With the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. With the hidden compartment with a 12-volt charging point and 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and just underneath the armrest with the Audi phone box with wireless charging. This approved used Audi Q7 is now available and on site. For more information call our sales team today who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.